Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Tuesday's Daily Financial Digest.
The week ahead is full of impactful events on the economic calendar, with major data points leading the way. These updates could play a pivotal role in market reactions, influencing everything from stock prices to currency valuations. With the potential for volatility high, staying proactive and responsive is crucial. Make sure to factor in these economic events when assessing your
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The Nasdaq Composite and S&P 500 closed modestly higher as investors bought heavyweight technology stocks and shrugged off the uncertainty of a potential U.S. government shutdown and hawkish remarks from a Federal Reserve official. Stablecoins recorded more than $46 billion in net inflows in the last 90 days. Tether's USDT stablecoin led the quarter with $19.6 billion in net inflows, followed by Circle's USDC with $12.3 billion. Shares of Beyond Meat slumped to a record low on Monday after the maker of plant-based meat launched an exchange offer for convertible bonds to cut more than $800 million in debt. The stock was last down 32.1%.
Coming up, our chief analyst's choices for today.
The gold-dollar pair exploded 1.6% in the last session. The Williams indicator indicates an overbought market. The euro-dollar pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, gaining 0.1%. According to the stochastic RSI, we are in an overbought market. The pound-dollar pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, gaining 0.1%. The stochastic indicator indicates an overbought market. The Aussie dollar pair rose 0.3% in the last session. The Williams indicator is giving a positive signal.
We hope that you've enjoyed Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.